Have you ever thinking, if you are one of medical staff, and someday, a poor person came and asks you for some medical checkup, and then he will give you money for paying as much as you want. But when he arrived at his house, he cried because he didn't have enough money to buy some rice to his lunch. In fact, 11% of 250 million people in Indonesia are very poor. And this is the biggest factor that increases Indonesia's death rate. Obama said in 2007 that family premiums are up by nearly 87% over the last 5 years, growing 5 times faster than the workers' wage. Deductibles are up by 50%. Co-payment for care and prescription are through the roof. Nearly 11 million people who are already insured spend more than a quarter of their salary on healthcare last year. And over half of all family bankruptcies today are caused by medical bills. But they say it's too costly to pay. The lack of healthcare phenomenon not only happening in Indonesia, but also in other countries like America. From this case, we can see that we give careless attention about how important health for us, how to take care of it, and how to prevent the disease that often infect people. Because if we are deep enough to realize, it is much more expensive to treat than to prevent. People say the young is working. This is us, who have the opportunity to work extensively now. Show our parents that the young generation nowadays is better than before. Take the role in the major change in this country, that we can start from small change. Not a huge step, but billions of small steps that we can see everywhere. When do we have to start? Now is the time. As youth who is educated high enough to work, do 3 higher education pillars that include education, research, and community service. Where do we start? First, learn. We are given by our campus facilities that so extensive, more than we ever need. Use that facilities with good management. Do not be afraid to make mistakes unintentionally, because we are students that deserve for the further direction. Use your 24 hours with good management too. Second, do some research. Curious is good. Seeking information about health issues that dominate today's society suffering. Find out what caused it, how to handle, and make the new products that useful in the field of health. Please correct the problem that haven't been resolved. Think the solution deeply, do some works, and then the world will be ours. Third, do community service. Don't let the poor people located in under pressure because of the price that you set to your service at them. Help them to improve their quality of life. And then, everyone will pray for your success. Keep walking, and those that you have been helped will accompany your steps. Thank the Lord through the way serve the community. Make the forum about the importance of health with them. Indonesia is needing attention and help from us, health students, to improve the welfare about the importance of health in this country. Starting with education, doing research, and feeling your devotion to the public about the importance of health is ideal for higher life expectancy. Start your move right after you finish watching the show. Do not wait the future to act, because today is the day that you call the future when you were younger. I'm Sepsiana Puspitasari from Yogyakarta. Thank you.